Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you install live wallpaper for any Android. So if you want to install the live wallpaper in your Android device, so all you guys have to do just go to the Play Store to install the third-party application. So basically the application is Zedge. Now all you guys have to do just install this application. Okay, now tap to open. Guys, just allow the notifications and then comes to video wallpaper. So these are all the live wallpaper basically. Okay, now I'm using this wallpaper. So this is how the wallpaper works. Now tap to download option and then firstly you have to watch the ad for the free downloading. Okay, now set as video wallpaper. So this is how it's work. So that's how guys we can set the live wallpaper in our Android device. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.